Welcome to the Built by Rich channel. Check out the video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get it. What up, and welcome back to the Built by Rich YouTube channel. It's Memorial Day. Have a day off today, and figured I'll work on the MR2 for a little bit. And that car deserves some love too. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've done so far. All right, so I got the intake manifold off, the exhaust manifold off. Did find some oil in here, so I'm not sure if that's blow by from the PCV or if it's the turbo, but I think I'm gonna just do one of those cheap rebuild kit since I already have this out. Again, this is just temporary. I'm just trying to get by with this motor. I don't know what motor I'm going to put in there down the road, but we just want to get it back running. So I'll do that. I'll clean that up too. I'll show you guys what I've done with the car, and have it taken most apart. I have the head pulled off, and so a little background for somebody who hasn't been watching. I overheated the motor pretty bad actually, and if you look at the head gasket here, you can see where it focused. You can see where it kind of let go. Same thing on this side. You can kind of see that black exhaust thing on it. But yeah, so head gasket's bad, so I'm gonna replace it with the head gasket. I'm also gonna change the head studs to ARP, and then do a lot of cleaning up here. I'm gonna clean this all up once I finish with this video, and see how the cylinder walls look like. Here is the head. The head actually looks okay. I now put a flat let's see if you can kind of hard to see, but it looks pretty good. It looks pretty flat, so I think I lucked out and didn't really warp the head. So I think what I'm gonna do is probably just sand this down, or not sand it down, but just clean this up, get rid of all the old head gasket, and then do the same thing with the block and put it back together, and hopefully no issues. And like I said earlier, this is just a motor that I am just trying to save to, so I can temporarily have the car running. Eventually, I don't know what motor I'll put in this car, but it's such a long ways to go that just trying to get it by. So, and figured I have some time to work on it, so that's what I'm doing. Anyways, just want to get you guys caught up on the MR2. This thing it's gonna be a long project, so that is what it is. Catch you guys next time. Just give it a quick rinse. That's what it looks like. I don't know about that one. It looks kind of suspect, but the rest looks okay. What do you guys think? Yep. All right. That's gonna do it for today. Gonna cover it up with some plastic so that nothing falls inside, and we'll get back to it when we get back to it. Catch you guys later. Peace.